classroom scene from Dead Poet Society. I was really struck by how different John Keating's teaching style is from the usual traditional method or approach. Instead of analyzing poetry through rigid and scientific methods like using graphs and fixed interpretations, he encourages students to see poetry as something emotional and personal. The part where he tells the students to tear out a page from their textbook really stood out to me because it symbolizes rejecting strict rules and thinking independently. At first, I found it shocking, and I could also see that some students felt confused or uncomfortable, which made me realize that not everyone is immediately ready for such an unconventional method. The students in the scene appear to be around 15 to 18 years old, which places them in late adolescence. And according to Jean Piaget, they are already in the formal operational stage, where they can think abstractly, analyze ideas, and form their own opinions. Because of this, I think the teacher's methods are appropriate since he encourages critical thinking, creativity, and questioning authority instead of just memorizing information. As I continued watching, I noticed several teaching principles being applied. One is encouraging independent thinking, especially when he pushes students to rely on their own interpretations rather than depending on textbooks. Another is student engagement and active learning, since the students are not just listening passively, but are reacting and participating in the discussion. However, I also observed that respect for individual differences was only partially shown because some students seemed unsure or anxious about what was happening, suggesting that a more gradual approach might have helped them adjust better. In terms of behaviorist techniques, I noticed that the teacher uses praise and positive reinforcement to encourage participation, and he repeatedly emphasizes the importance of thinking for oneself, although there is little use of punishment or strict discipline. Overall, I think his teaching approach is very effective in making the lesson engaging, memorable, and meaningful, while also building students' confidence and higher order thinking skills. However, it may also have limitations, especially for students who are more comfortable with structured learning and clear guidance. In the end, this scene made me realize that teaching does not always have to be mechanical, and that inspiring students to think and feel deeply can be just as important as learning facts.